In this Nerd Bytes episode, we will be looking at Synthetix private locations. I'm going to go ahead and get one created. You can see that process now, and then while that's creating, because it takes a couple of seconds, I'll talk about what private locations are. So I'll call this Nerd Bytes, give it a name, generate a key. We'll get a couple of commands here. You can either do Kubernetes or Docker. I'm just going to go ahead and do Docker. As you can see, I'll copy that, paste it into my terminal, and then you'll see the Docker dashboard up here is creating a new image for me. So in Synthetix, when you're creating a monitor, you have an option to run from any of these 20 public locations. These are all running in AWS environments, but sometimes you may want to monitor websites that are internal only, something behind a VPN or something that's locked away from the public internet. Or perhaps most of your users are accessing your site from a location that we don't have a public location for. So in those cases, you may want to get set up with a private location so that you can hit those sites from the locations that are most important to you, either internal sites, so they're running on your network, or upload them to the public cloud so you can monitor from locations that you find relevant. So as you can see, now we have a Synthetix Minion up and running. So if I refresh this page, we should now see a new location available, Nerd Bytes. So I can click that, and now when I set up this monitor, my monitor checks will be running from this separate location, this private location, that is running here on my MacBook, running on Docker. Feel free to check out the docs for more information. You'll find those linked in the description of this video.